Tried to cut a pine tree down, fell through the ground like Alice.
Right, so we're in Brick Lane. Starting off here, well, I'm in town for a street walk. Starting off here, I think we've got like a bunch of midday ravers, haven't we? Just having a laugh, getting warmed up.
It's like Love Island. Hold on.
Come on, quick.
You don't know about us, mate.
What, is this a swingers thing then?
Oh, absolutely.
Who knows how the day's going to go?
You know that.
We're a bit snapshotty these.
This must be
They're just like snapshots. Just grabbing a few shots for the guys.
All stand against this.
Yeah.
Is everyone in it?
Right, we're all in.
So get it over and done with.
Guys, get ready.
Come on, Adam, get in. Oh, I don't know who's there.
Perfect.
Guys, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video.
Right, I'll get some close-ups. Ready?
We've got some, the juiciest portraits are towards the end.
1, 2.
I mean, these are not portraits.
I charge a full shoot of these usually.
Kind of snapshots.
Got you all.
Love that.
My name's Gary.
Sweet feet. Nice one, Gary. Good to meet you, mate.
So this was like the Dare Street Walk, which my Katie organised, which we do now and again. And it was about, I don't know, we had about 20 people turned up. It was awesome, actually.
I don't know who's more better looking. Nifty's in there. Nifty, you're on the YouTube video. You've been in my videos before, haven't you?
Here he is. It's Jason, Nifty 50.
Who's coming to New York?
Brendan.
New York for the workshop. There's no discounts.
You could just put me into your suitcase or something.
Huh?
It's Stuart. Stuart's leaving.
Got ya. Why are you getting in my shot?
I want to be part of the cast.
Unbelievable.
So you can
I
learn
want you to turn that way.
to
Turn that way and then turn your head this way.
So it's Jason, Nifty 50. He hates this.
He's handsome, isn't he?
No.
Do I need a reflector? Right, turn this way. See the light?
what a start.
Right, turn around this way.
Inside
That's
out
better. I mean,
and
closer,
upside
right up here to me
down.
here. Perfect.
No stress, I'ma clean up this mess.
That is a cool shot. Go. You're waiting all day.
First hand
I am stringing this together, this video. Oh man, can I ever get a portrait of you? Do we know this fella?
I know.
Oh, justice is my
Rory, pleased to
middle
meet you. I'm Gary,
name.
mate. Can I get you a portrait?
Yeah, of course you can. I'm an ugly sod, but it's all right.
No. Nifty. Where are your feet? That's pretty cool, man.
Yeah.
Well, who are you on Instagram then?
Rawls 59, Japanese guy. So I'm looking this way.
So if you look here,
Right.
take a step this way, no, towards me. This way,
right, sorry, yeah.
And then turn your head this way, all the way to my hand. Right, and then turn the camera on, Gary. Hold on, what's this song? Good. We love a beard. Are you friends with this beautiful lady then?
From my life. Never don't know if she is even. So.
She's a good at street portraits. Let's see. Come, he's like our
I don't want to be too close to this area. We'll see.
Oh, these guys didn't get anything, man.
Print?
What do you mean last 100 years of print?
Yeah, it's laminated at the end.
How much?
It's 100 and something pound was it?
See, this is the sort of thing I'd buy and use once, and it'll never see the light of day again. Or you'd use that first cartridge of film, and then that'll be it, wouldn't it?
Perfect, and then look off down the street, turn your head, look off, that's it. And hold your head there, but bring your eyes back. I'm in my light, stay there, that's it, that's better.
I went
Organise the trip and at least come on an alternative trip.
Well, you might as well just join us, or we'll join you.
Well, their trip is 12 hours.
No, I can't be doing that. Like an hour and a half does me. Let's get one of you, mate, a portrait of you.
Hang on, son.
There's Starkey.
Anyway, we've had this.
This must be
Just outside Worcestershire.
I got rocks and sticks against my chest. I'm Alice, dear Queen of Hearts.
Can I get the book in as well? Like, just hold it up. But like you're reading, that's it. Hold it.
So this is Pixie, Rebecca, who I got talking to. She was reading J.G. Ballard's The Voice of Time, and she's sitting there, and I just thought, oh, I want to get a photograph. And sometimes what I do is I'm hanging out for a little bit longer if I'm shooting people on the street like this. But it was in a street walk, but she was great, you know, she was great. Like the post-production on some of my street portraits, you have to be really careful. Like, post-production amplifies what's there. So the best editing of all is in camera with light, composition, symmetry, etc. Like if you put, like I'm talking about my street portrait post-production here. My other image is a lot simpler, the way that I edit them. With these, if you was to put this editing on a mediocre picture, it will look horrendous. You put it on a good picture, it will look great. So it amplifies what's there. So you've got to put the work in before you can go down that road, really. But she was great.
See you later, gorgeous. Oh, can I take your portrait? Over here though, just in this light is so beautiful. So if you rest your shoulder there, no, facing me though, facing me. No, turn, like, I'll show you. So here, like this.
And upside
what's your name, by the way? Veronica.
Guys, please subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed already. There's a whole bunch of yous watching these videos regularly not subscribed. If you haven't got a copy yet of The Way of the Street Photographer, which is my zine, I promise you're gonna love it. Grab yourself a copy. Also, get yourself signed up to the Inspiration Shot, which is our newsletter. Goes out weekly. We don't nag your inbox with it. It's just weekly creative features, announcing street walks such as this, and a whole bunch of other stuff, guys. I'll put the links in the show notes underneath this video. Make it easy for you. I think that's it. Out.